ISTQB Foundation Level Exam ISTQB-CTFL dumps are the best material for you to pass easily. Share some updated ISTQB-CTFL exam dumps here. 1. Which of the following statements about experience-based techniques, EBT, is correct? A. EBT use tests derived from the test engineer's previous experience with similar technologies. B. EBT is based on the ability of the test engineer to implement various testing techniques. C. EBT is done as a second stage of testing, after non-experienced based testing took place. D. EBT require broad and deep knowledge in testing but not necessarily in the application or technological domain. 2. Software was found low take much more time than the stated requirement of less than 1 second to save a file. Upon investigation it was found that there was an unnecessary check inside a loop which was slowing down the file save operation. The software not being able to meet the desired response time is an example of A. It is not a defect. B. Defect. C. Error. D. Failure. 3. Which of the following statements about independent testing is wrong? A. Independent testing is necessary because developers don't know any testing. B. Independent testing is best suited for the system test level. C. A certain degree of independence makes the tester more effective at finding defects. D. Independent test teams may find other types of defects than developers who are familiar with the system's structure. 4. In which of the following cases you would not execute maintenance testing? A. Retirement of the software or system. B. Modifications to a released software or system. C. Migration of the system data to a replacement system. D. Update to the maintainability requirements during the development phase. 5. Manager responsibilities in formal review includes add except one of the following. A. Planning the review. B. Determines if the review objectives have been met. C. Decide on the execution of reviews. D. Allocate time for review. 6. Which one of the following statements about acceptance testing is not correct? A. Testing of disaster recovery and backup restore is usually not part of acceptance testing. B. The customers or system users are often responsible for the acceptance testing. C. The main goal of acceptance testing is to build confidence in the system, not find defects. D. Acceptance testing is the last level of testing performed prior to system release. 7. Which are the main goals of risk management in a software project? A. To increase the success probability for the project regardless of costs. B. To increase focus on preventative processes and to increase satisfaction for the testers. C. To control contractual problems and minimize the impacts of company policies. D. To reduce the probability of undesired situations and to reduce the effect of potential impact. 8. A team's test strategy was to invest equal effort in testing each of a system's modules. After running one test cycle, it turned out that most of the critical bugs were detected in one of the system's modules. Which testing principle suggests a change to the current test strategy for the next test cycle? A. Pesticide paradox. B. Early testing. C. Absence of errors fallacy. D. Defect clustering. 9. In what way do configuration management affects testing? A. Without proper configuration management, test planning cannot proceed. B. Proper configuration management ensures that testers can uniquely identify the tested item. C. Configuration management is important for developers, not for testers. D. There is very little influence of configuration management practices on the test project. 10. During system testing phase of a word processor, a tester finds that on opening a file from a particular set of files, which are part of a critical workflow, the word processor crashes. Which of the following is the next step the tester should take prior to recording the deviation? A. Try to recreate the incident before reporting. B. Try to identify the code fragment causing the problem. C. Send an email to the developer and not report the bug. D. Report the incident as is without any further action.